What's going on, team? Pedro here. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over how to use your MT4 app. This video is going to be really focused on people that are just getting started. So basically, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button as well. Comment below. I'd love to hear from you guys as well. I'm just starting off on a new channel. I did have a previous channel before at Pedro M Business, but that has been discontinued for now. So I'm starting this new channel. So if you're new, welcome. I hope your day is going well. Basically, I am going to be sharing with you guys my Forex journey every step of the way. By all means, I am not a professional. So please don't, you know what I mean? Don't take my advice by all means. Trade at your own risk. But I do want to share with you guys my journey. You know what I mean? I've been, doing this for about a year and a half now consistently. I made that decision to, fully get immersed into trading. And yeah, like I want to share with you guys my journey. I want to be able to grow with you guys and be able to help you guys in any way that I can. But not just that, also be able to impact and help individuals that are just getting started, and be able to rule out any struggles that I went through and I'm still going through, right? So I'm still learning. There's so much more to learn. I'm nowhere near to where I want to be, but yeah, so I'm going to do this quick video, guys. Basically, I just want to go over some of the basics of the MT4 app. As you could see, I am on an Android right now, and this is a demo account. You could obviously see I'm also in a trade right now. With that being said, looking over here at the bottom tabs, you could see that there is a messages tab. This tab is mainly focused for applications like, if you've got like different indicators and stuff like that, that have built-in notifications. You would get a notification here, or an algorithm, whatever it is. You're gonna get all your messages and notifications in this section. Now moving over to this tab here, the second tab over here, this is actually your news tab. Personally, I like to use Forex Factory or the Forex portal, which is an application. That's kind of what I use for my news. And so, I mean, you could use this section here as a way of news, but I personally prefer using Forex Factory. Moving over, this tab is actually your histories tab. So if you click here on the right top hand corner, you could see like last week's performance, monthly's performance. You can kind of see everything here in this section here. Yeah, so this is kind of like where your history and all that stuff is, all your past trades and stuff like that. Here in this section as well, you can kind of see where you are in profit. You can look at your different symbols that you traded, everything by the date and all that stuff, right? So, yeah, that's kind of that here. In this section here, this is kind of all the symbols that you traded and stuff like that. But again, there's not much to see here, just other than the history that you've done in terms of all your trades. Moving over to this trade tab. This tab here basically is where your active trades are, your active positions. So as you can see, I am trading GJ right now. This is a long-term trade I'm doing, to be honest with you. So it's just a very, very small lot. But again, like I said, this is just a demo account just for demonstration purposes. As you can see, this is the pair that I'm trading here, GBP JPY. I am doing a 0.10 micro lot. And then obviously you can see I am in profit right now of $361. Over here in balance, this is basically my balance at the moment. And then over here, like my active balance, and then over here on equity, basically this is my balance with my current profit. So if I were to take profit right now, that's how much my balance would update to on equity. And then margin level, that's basically how much I'm able to risk and be able to put in a trade. So yeah, this is kind of like just the basics of it. These are my open positions. And so here, if I click on it, I could see kind of what my stop loss, my take profit is. And then obviously you could see my swap fees. This is from my broker. They're charging $5 because I've been holding on to it, the trade for a while. So, and then if you click on here, you can edit your stop loss, you can, take partial profits, whatever you like. But also if you just slide to the right, you could just click on the very right one right here, and that's to the graph. It takes you exactly to where the chart is. And then if you click on this one with the check mark, that's your take profit. And so, yeah. And then moving over here to the candlesticks, this actually takes you to the chart. So, yeah, basically, as you can see, this is basically the charts for the GBP, JPY. And so at the very top here on the top right hand corner, you could see this is where you can place your trades. Again, this right here is basically your time frames. So you can choose 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and so on. You can also do it on Androids. You can also do it by clicking on anywhere on the screen, and you'll get this circular shape. And then basically you can click on the 4 hour, click on the daily, whatever you want to see, right? Whatever time frame, right? So, and then here, this is kind of like your currency pairs that I have. So if I want to switch between, GBP, JPY to Euro USD, I can without having to go back into this section here where my quotes are. And then moving over here, this is kind of where all my indicators are. I'm able to add indicators on my main chart. So you've got like all these different types of indicators available to you. And then your indicator window, this is kind of where I have usually my RSI. And then you can have different stuff like MACDs or whatever indicators you prefer. And it would be in this window section here. Moving over to the left-hand side, the last tab here at the very bottom, you can see this is where all your positions are. This is basically all the trades all the currencies that you would be interested in trading, right? You can only, typically I just have the ones that I like to trade here. That way it's not too overcrowded. And then I've also got, the spread. This is basically like how much pips difference there is between the broker and how much they're making in profit. And so that's that there. These are the current active prices. And so, yeah, this is basically where it's at in terms of like the quote section. And then if you click that plus on the top right hand corner, you can see that you can search different symbols, commodities, cryptocurrencies, everything, right? So then here you could just be like, yeah, I'm going to search for, let's just say Euro odd, right? And then you just click on it and then it automatically adds it. So you go back. Sorry. Go back. And then you can see that Euro odd is now here at the bottom. So now whenever you click on any of these quotes, you're going to get this pop-up and it's going to say new order. If you want to place a trade right away, you just click on new order. And then here you can choose your lot sizes, whatever lot size you feel comfortable. Obviously, never over trade or, always use proper risk management. With that being said, this is your stop loss section here. So here it's basically anything in terms of like, dependent on your risk management and all that, and knowing, when you place a trade, how much pips you want to keep your stop loss. Then you place your stop loss number here based off that, as well as your take profit. Depending on your analysis, you type in your numbers there as well by looking at the charts. With that being said, when you click on it here, you can click on show properties. It kind of just shows you a little bit of everything, a lot of information on the currency itself. But you could do simple mode. Simple mode just doesn't really show you the spreads. It's more cleaner look. But I like to keep it in advance because it just gives me a little bit more information, like the spreads, and that's when when it's good to stay out and when it's good to trade a pair, right? So because these spreads do change individually and the prices do fluctuate. The spreads do fluctuate. So yeah, that's basically the basics in terms of using your MT4. It's very simple, very straightforward. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, please don't hesitate to comment below. Love to hear from you guys. I hope you found this video somewhat informative. I know it's very quick, but I'm open to other video suggestions. Hope you found this video informative. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and have yourself a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.